Okay, we are now in step 8, adding dimension to your design. So you are going to take some detailed paintbrush, paint above the outer edges to continue adding color and dimension. As you can see, we are already in the almost finished product of the artwork today. So now, before we will identify which is your dark, which is your medium dark, and which is your light. So I started in this side, so this is my dark, right? So I just had to paint and add some dimension to it so that it will show up the edges really strongly. So just like that, just following the edges and the line of the pencil before. Okay. So this is how you paint the dimension, adding details of your design. Dark side. So as I told you before, that the more it becomes dark, the more you just have to add a small amount of water if you want to achieve the very dark line of your painting. You just have to, you don't need to put much water into it. So see, look at this one, how detailed my paintbrush is. Okay, so what I'm using is the Really for watercolor paintbrush. So actually you can use any of a paintbrush for the detail, as long as if you can manage how to do it, it's fine. And the watercolor paper is also nice for the surface because it creates a unique line. After it dries up. Okay, so yeah, add some dark lines here, and I have the dark lines here. All you have to do is just following the pencil line, and so that's your guide on how to follow it. Okay. Almost. And so yeah, I will have to add a little more here. Okay. And this is my favorite paintbrush because it really gives a final detail of the artwork. Okay. Don't put much because we need to let this dry to, if you want to add more shading on it. Okay, so look at this one. It's really interesting now. It looks interesting now. You can see the dark side that show up your detail of your tree. Okay, so it's not yet done. We need to add some more because we have to let the dark area dry first.